So today we will see some other important. In the previous videos we have seen natural numbers and the sum of n natural numbers, how to find out. Suppose 1 to 100 natural numbers sum is what, 50-50. Up to 10 natural numbers sum is what, 55. So like that, suppose if you have odd numbers, how to find the sum. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on up to 99. So what is the sum? So it may be very general that questions may ask like this, up to 99, how to find out. So in a general way we cannot add up to 99, it's a very cumbersome method. So here we have a formula. Sum of the first, this word is important, sum of the first n odd numbers. Sum of the first n odd numbers is equal to n square. This is the formula. Sum of the first n odd numbers is equal to n square. So here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on up to 99 is equal to how much? Immediately you may get idea this answer is 99 square. But it is wrong. Why wrong? Because it says that sum of the first n odd numbers, where odd numbers are denoted by 2n minus 1. This is the general form of odd numbers. Sigma of 2n minus 1, where n is equal to 1 to n is equal to n square. That means if you add n odd numbers means what? 5 odd numbers you add, you will get 5 square. 10 odd numbers you add, 10 square. 3 odd numbers, 3 square. So 3 odd numbers means 1, 2, 3. Up to here there are 3 odd numbers. So third odd number is what? 5. So it's not 5 square, it is 3 square, because 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 means 3 square. So that means what? How to find 99? For this question, up to 99 are there. Up to 99, how many odd numbers are there? That is how to find out. First thing. So how many odd numbers are means? First consider that 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1 is equal to what? 100. Make it half. 100 by 2. So 50. That means 1 to 99, there are 50 odd natural numbers. So we'll get 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on up to 99 gives you 50 square, which is equal to 2500. This is its answer. Okay. So what can be the other type of questions based on this one? So as I said in the natural numbers, it may be started not from the beginning, it may be started from somewhere 71. 71 plus 73 plus 75 plus. So by looking this series we can understand they are going with the odd numbers. And so on up to, suppose you are asked to find up to 95. So what is the value of this one? So we have to understand that they are asking sum of odd numbers 71 to 95. So, but what is the formula? Obviously you have to use from 1, 3, 5 and so on up to this one. That means from the beginning odd numbers only you have to consider. So now, so what we do is consider this sum is from beginning of 1. Then 95 means, as I said earlier, 95 is which odd number? How many odd numbers are there up to 95? That is important from the beginning. So 96 plus 1 by 2. So add 1 to this end number, by 2 you make it. 96 plus 95 plus 1, 96 by 2 gives you 48. So 48 odd numbers are there, hence we will get 48 square. 48 square is the sum of up to here 95. But what we need up to 69, up to 69 odd numbers are not there in this sum. So that sum also included in this one. So we have to subtract that. To subtract that one up to 69, what will be the sum? Up to 69 means 69 plus 1. 70 by 2. So means 35. So 70 by 2 is 35. So 35 square. So 48 square minus 35 square is the answer for this one. So how to find out 48 square minus 35 square? It is looking like a plus b, b minus b. Suppose if you don't know the squares directly you can add it. So as we know from the earlier, we have a shortcut like it is 48, 2 less than 50. So you can subtract 2 from 25, 23, 2304. It's a square minus 35 square. Hence it is ending with 5. So 3 4s are 12, 25. So we have shortcuts for this one. I'll explain in the other video. Then subtract. So 14 minus 5, which is 9. Then you have 9 minus 2, 7. Then you have 2 minus 2, 0. Then 2 minus 1, 1. 1079. That is its answer. Suppose if you don't know this one, you go by a square minus b square. A square minus b square means 48 plus 35 into 48 minus 35. This also can be exercised. Instead of this one, if you don't know the squares directly, use this one. 48 plus 35. Say suppose the 50 plus 33, which is equal to 83, into 48 minus 35. So 13. So 13, you know 13 table can multiply. So 13 3s are 39. So 13 8s are 104 plus 3. So 107. 1079. So to work out the problems based on the numbers, it is very important that you should know the tables, multiplication tables up to 20, and you know the formulae of algebra, basic formulae, and you have squares up to 25 at least, and cubes. If you know the squares up to 25, I will tell you a shortcut method how to find out up to 125 numbers squares. That we'll do in another video. So this is for odd numbers. So sum of odd numbers, how to find out the sum. So sum of the first n odd natural numbers, you have a formula. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 2n minus 1 is n square. Just remember n square, that's enough. 1 plus 3 plus any number. Suppose 1 plus 3 plus and so on up to 9. First 10. In this 10 natural numbers, you have 5 odd numbers. So it is 5 square. And 25. Suppose 1 plus 3 plus and so on up to 29. Up to 29, how many odd numbers are there? 15 odd numbers. How do you know 15? 29 plus 1 by 2. So 30 by 2, so 15. So 15 square. 15 square is 225. Like that we can find sum of the odd numbers in an easy way using the formula n square. Okay. So I hope you have understood this one, and please watch this completely and watch other videos also, and you please subscribe for another videos like I'll keep another videos like how to find out sum of the even numbers, okay, squares of the numbers, cubes of the numbers, units digit of a number how to find out, and also squares how to find out in easier way. The other videos I'll keep it. So please watch my channel. Thank you.